Hello, a quick update. I'll give on a maybe. There are some people who claim to represent us at the House of Assembly. Anyway, most of these people, I don't even know how they got there. This Amobi, whether it's in the House of Reps or this thing, he was the same person the other time that said, once they give us a state and releasing Nnamdi Kanu, that Igbos will not ask for Biafra. Please, who sent people like this? Now, he's the one moving for this state creation, not an extra state from outside for Ndigbo, but within Ndigbo. He's planning to fragment Ndigbo. And I know the target of people like this. Maybe at the end of the day, he will become governor of the state for, selfish motive. Or maybe at the end of the day, they might hand in one position. I don't even know. But let's watch this video. This bill is almost succeeding. We don't want it to succeed. That is not the plan of Ndigbo. I don't know who they consulted for this, but watch this video and we'll be right back.
12th order of the day is the commencement of debate on the general principles of a bill for an act to alter the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, to provide for the creation of Etiti State out of Abia, Anambra, Ebonyi, Enugu, and Imo states, and for related matters, standing in the name of Honorable Amobi Godwin Oga. Honorable members will recall that the bill was read the first time on Tuesday, 2nd July 2024. And I invite Honorable Oga to move that the bill be read a second time. Honorable Amobi, is he around?
Yes, Mr. Speaker. The Right Honorable Speaker, my dear colleagues, my name remains Honorable Amobi Godwin Oga. I represent Nigeria through the most marginalized political region in this country, Southeast. Mr. Speaker, I move that an act to alter the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, to provide for the creation of a Etiti State out of Abia State, Anambra State, Ebonyi State, Enugu State, and Imo State, and for other related matters, I so move, Mr. Speaker.
The Right Honorable, His Excellency, the Deputy Speaker.
Thank you, Your Excellency, the Speaker of the 10th Assembly. Honorable colleagues, my name is Benjamin Okezie Carlo. I represent the good people of Nigeria, starting from Bende Federal Constituency. Excellency, I'm from Abia State. Excellency, I rise to second this very important bill that is presented by my brother, Honorable Amobi Oga. I so second.
Those in support of this motion should say aye. Those against should say nay. The ayes have it. Honorable Amobi, I think your bill is a very blessed one. Even without you uttering any word further, it has received the consent, I believe, by implication of the volunteer house. So just permit me to put the question.
Mr. Speaker, this bill is so important to my people. At least let them hear. Please permit me, Mr. Speaker. This bill is so important to the Southeast region.
No, go ahead if you insist. Okay, so those in support of this motion should say aye. Those in support of this motion should say aye. Those against should say nay. The ayes have it. Thank you. God bless you. Clerk.
Right Honorable Speaker, honorable members. A bill for an act to alter the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, provide for the creation of a Etiti State out of Abia, Anambra, Ebonyi, Enugu, and Imo states, and for related matters. Second reading.
Bill referred to the Committee on Constitutional Review for further legislative action.
Hey, it is so sad though. Can you imagine? These things, I feel so sad. These people do not consult the people they represent. Do you know that for me, it is just this about 2 months ago that I had Etiti State for the first time. That is to tell you that a lot of Ndigbo do not know about that. But the case of Anioma has been existing. We even know about Olo a particular time. But this Etiti State, we've not heard about it until 2 months ago that I heard about it. Can you imagine? These guys do not consult who they represent. He's from, I don't know where he's from, but the other guy who seconded it is from Abia. Now they want part of Anambra and Imo and Enugu to be slashed. And some other Senate House of Reps member are there. I don't even know what they are doing. Well, I wonder if they have not heard about the Anioma state, which will be an additional state to Ndigbo. These people, let me tell you something you need to know. Many of these people you see in this house of, they know what to do, but they don't want to do it. They are selfish. They go there to represent themselves. They know the processes of achieving a lot of things that we, the common people, want, but they don't want to. They want to do what they want to do. And I'm imploring people, when it gets to time of referendum concerning that state, vote against it. It is not the will of Ndigbo. We don't want further fragmentation of our place. No, that is not our desire. The support we should be giving right now is for the creation of Anioma state, not Etiti. Like I said earlier, this Amobioga, the other day, you saw a comment accredited to him saying that if they give IGBO a state and release Nnamdi Kanu, that Biafra dies down. Now you imagine who sent him? Who sent people like this? This bill has passed a second reading, and I believe he worked with his other people to achieve it, asking them to calm down. Look at, nobody said nay. The eyes have it. So these guys they know their work, but they are using their powers and the knowledge they have to do the wrong things. Honorable Amobi Godwin Oga, not his name. Not his name. They want to further fragment an Igbo. Igbos have the smallest state. Do you know that the whole of Southeast states cannot be compared to, if it is bigger than Cross River, the whole of Southeast, if it's bigger than Cross River, just by some small, tiny square meters, if it's bigger. Now, you want to further fragment it, right? We're looking at how we could add other places that speaks like us. Can you imagine what these guys are doing? Now, he came in the name of, we Igbos have been marginalized, the most marginalized people. Can you imagine the presentation? Now, his target is that after creation of this state, he may be a governor. The one that seconded him might be the deputy. These guys, they had these things all planned. Like I said, they know their job, but they're using their powers and their knowledge for another thing. Remember, please note, the other guy who seconded it, Benjamin Okezie Carlo, I think he's the deputy speaker, maybe. They seconded it. So when it gets to time of voting, vote against it. I don't think it's the will of the people. We were not consulted. This Etiti State is new. You come from so place, you want to slash every state so that you create Etiti State. While Anioma is there. Now, our state is further reduced. The landmass is further reduced just to have 6 states, which makes no difference. He said the bill is so important. Oh my God. And I even watched a video where they were gathering at a particular place, as in, it's like they have built secretariat. I'm feeling these guys had all this planned with some non-Igbos. They will, rather than give us Anioma, they will get a Etiti State. I believe they had it all planned. He would have consulted others. Even if Anioma State is not coming, We don't need anything like a Etiti State. We don't need to fragment our place further. Even if Anioma is not, we don't need a Etiti State. What for? Can you imagine? Who did he consult? Who did he consult? The case of Etiti State is a new thing. Anioma, the clamor for an Anioma State since then is Osadebe. And that is the support that we should give, not for this Etiti nonsense or Olo. Hey. Viewers, please share this video widely. Let's tell them what we want. And when it requires that the common people will add their voice, it is a no. Etiti State is a no, but Anioma State is a yes. Thanks for watching.